Honors Pre-Calculus Final Exam Review, number 63. So we have secant beta plus tangent beta equals cosine beta over 1 minus sine beta. Now I like the Greek letter beta, but you might not. You're welcome to change it to another letter if you like. But I'm going to work with, well, you know, if I write the letter beta a lot of times, it starts to just look like a squiggle. So I think I'm gonna stick with x. So we'll do secant x plus tangent x equals cosine x over 1 minus sine x. So a good place to start with this one is, let's put everything in terms of sine and cosine. So secant is 1 over cosine, tangent is sine over cosine, and that's equal to cosine over 1 minus sine. Now one thing that seems very natural to do here is to notice that these two fractions already have a common denominator. So I probably should add them together and make one fraction. Then I have 1 plus sine x over cosine x equals cosine x over 1 minus sine x. Now here I have one fraction equal to another fraction, so that invites me to cross multiply. So in fact I will cross multiply this times this times this. And I also like the idea, you know, you want to think ahead where things going. When I multiply these together, I'm going to get 1 minus sine squared. When I multiply this together, I'm going to get cosine squared. And I know that those things are related by a Pythagorean identity. So think ahead as you do this. So I'm going to multiply this pair here and have 1 plus sine x times 1 minus sine x. And that equals cosine times cosine, which is cosine squared. Now I'll FOIL out this time this pair of binomials. Last time we FOILed out this pair of binomials, I wrote out the whole FOIL. But this time let's take advantage of the fact that we know enough algebra to know that the middle terms are going to cancel out. And we're just going to have 1 minus sine squared x here. And that equals cosine squared x. Then we're going to say, I know from my Pythagorean identities that 1 minus cosine squared x is equal to cosine squared x. So I have cosine squared x equals cosine squared x. I have my identity verified. So number 63 is done.